Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for watching this video. In this opportunity, I would like to tell you about something that many people have ever experienced that, particularly when you are sleeping at night. It is about snoring. Snoring can happen to anyone, to the men, women, but it's commonly occur for those who are overweight. After working hard a day and then when they sleep at night, they can produce the sound that can annoy your sleeping partner. Snoring can also be something worse for your health. According to the data from American Academy of Sleep Medicine, snoring can be associated with the health disorder called obstructive sleep apnea or OSA. OSA cannot happen to all of us snoring, cannot be associated to all of us snoring. But if you have any following a symptom after you snore at night, you may also see the doctor because you can get the worst conditions in your health. What are the symptoms? The first symptom is excessive daily sleepiness. When you sleep at night, when you snore, even though actually you have enough sleep at night, but when you wake up, you still feel sleepy. It's like that you do not sleep at all. The second symptom is chest pain, and also you can gasping or choke when you are sleeping, when you are snoring, of course, and your snoring is too loud, really disturb your partner. And what are the impact of the health disorder caused by snoring? The first impact is a frequent frustrations or anger. It means that you can easily get anger or frustrated to anyone who meet, and then you cannot show them the best attitude. The next one is it can be really difficult to concentrate it. It means that when you are having an experience of snoring at night and then your snoring is associated with OSA, you can be easily getting difficulty in concentration. And the next one is it can increase the number of accident because you lose the concentration, right? And the worst thing is it can have a greater risk of a high blood pressure and heart condition as well. Of course, it also can make you get a stroke. Therefore, if you have such this experience after you snore, it's better to you to see a doctor. Don't think that the snoring is normal, because snoring can give a bad impact to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that's really beneficial, and see you then. Good luck.